The Waterpik Whitening Water Flosser provides precision whitening while you floss. Before using your new water flosser, please read the Quick Start Guide and instruction manual. To get started, select the tip that is right for you. The Classic Jet tip is for general use. To clean around braces, select the orthodontic tip. For implants, crowns, bridges, and retainers, use the Plaque Seeker tip. All tips are perfect for precision whitening. To insert the tip, press the top button to open the flip top. Insert the tip aligning the notches on the top and handle. Press firmly to click into place. Close the flip top. The dots on the tip and flip top will align. To remove or change the tip, press the top button on the handle. Firmly push the tip through the opening to click out of position. Next, prime the unit before first use. Remove the reservoir. Fill with warm water and place it firmly back on the base. Turn the pressure setting to high. Point the tip into the sink. Turn the unit on. Slide the switch on the handle to the on position until water flows. After a few seconds, turn the power and water off. Next, load a whitening tablet into the handle. Press the button at the top of the handle to open the flip top. Insert the tablet into the opening and close the flip top by clicking it securely into place. To begin water flossing, place the tip in your mouth and lean over the sink. Start on the lowest pressure setting and turn the power on. Increase the pressure to what feels most comfortable to you. Use the on-off switch on the handle to temporarily stop the water flow. As you floss, close your lips enough to prevent splashing, while still allowing water to flow from your mouth into the sink. For best whitening results, start at your front teeth and work toward the back teeth. Aim the tip at the gum line at a 90-degree angle and let the in-handle whitening infuser whiten while you floss. Follow the gum line and pause briefly between teeth. As you water floss, the tablet dissolves and provides precision whitening. One whitening tablet a day removes stains from hard-to-reach areas between teeth and at the gum line that other whitening products miss. Continue water flossing until you have cleaned the inside and outside of both the upper and lower teeth. All it takes is a minute a day to get healthier gums and naturally whiter teeth. For more information, visit waterpik.com.